That's big.
Why won't the leaves go out?
Just deal with it.
No.
Lift it up.
I can't.
Do you need help?
I'm going. Yay. Okay.
You might want to lift it up onto the concrete.
Before you.
Okay.
I am a C student, you know though. I didn't know that you were gonna hit me. It's just my reaction.
Oh my god. I know you brought your camera.
Damn it! My booty is really cold. I'm gonna get a yeast infection. No!
I'm gonna help you.
But I'm having fun. No!
Aw, man.
I need help, Mom. Damn it! Yeah, I win.
Are you filming this? Oh man, I should be filming this. This is
amazing.
But since you're filming it, my film goes. I'll take pictures and you film.
Get
Okay.
in the oar!
This is the most amazing thing ever.
Don't you dare.
Fine, let's put it in the water.
Not nice! I'm in a white shirt!
You're in a wet boat.
Please forward.
Oh
Make my
God.
day.
No. No.
I've only got 40 something seconds left. Fall in already.
Oh, you should have told me. Because I have like an hour's worth of film. Because I have this is a 1 gigabyte Delia.
Well, it only takes 3-minute videos.
Don't fall, Steph.
I'm not even a great picture. If I could have gotten it just right. Would you hate that?
Yes. Oh, look, Steph's butt.
She's over there. She's over there.
This is the most amazing thing ever.
Oh, poor baby.
Fight! Fight! Fight!
I'll pull you in.
I'm just waiting.
Oh, it's horrible lighting.
I know, it's making the picture all weird.
Hair's coming out.